Yamamo akwaba. Afi to American Shayen, ego Facebook, and afinsi YouTube. Na yamfa kasiyebono echiri bankasa ensamu. Yensha kasiyebona se FM free o my Ghana. Eposifu akache. Na nkrata ifi otimantenim ahinkuru damai eba echiri mam. The Inspector General of Police, IGP, etimi etu. Eposifu mamode eye armored vehicles. Eni eposifu eshenya hotoam. Mumunutum. Jese ututu okure ntumi nwuram. Omudi mu mienu ede omani de akire mu. Ekwa koboban agiban ewo nkwanta. Efiri say nan sentemu ni. Mentemu ho ase bi ama ne homene so ho no ma. Se de yenim ne da no. Eta akoso nkwanta ne potem. Enti ama nipa bi etata wadom ho. Ema widie bi koso am. Ama eposifo person moboa na homban monsem emu yiri nti. Inspector General of Police, o my Ghana Police ahine. Ama mrante do na kupiem amokwa kwahwema ho ba monsem bibia etumi akonka ne na nkrata na echire ameka sei enipa pode benum 5 ana mo nyina da etumi ahwere wono nkwa ena mentem ho ase a ekoso ewuti mantem ne mu am nkrata na echire mu a emu baako mako basa mechire 3 wono mo ye mmerema ene mu mako mienu anase benun so eye ema o mo nyina da enam mentem ho ase ne ntokwa hodo am ekwaso nkwanta south mensenim ene potemti owo we nyina da akwakoba na hwehwemu eye military service eye asrafo okuo no anafinsum BNI ene defense intelligence anafinso Ghana National Fire Service ne bo modin aye hwehwemu we ede betu dwa na hwehwemu guso amekese wodo ma hyase ekwaso efa de kodie ntenam so am Emma mentem ho ase akwaba ne omaga na de hye pode penum omunyina da ahwere wore nkwa ewo otimantenim ewo kwanta south mensenim na pozifo kirem se wombekwaso agiban aboban ahwe ma tentene etimi agedwuma na enkwanta enne potem mekase no pozifo kirem a wonem nyina amwa na hobambo kwa hoto a wonom agiban aboban masum dwaban kwanta enne potem no bibia ntumi konkan emfama wonom posifo kirem se mo asem si a okyambom asema no kuranim hoye mo ka de fa ho no munyai na munyina monta homa mboko ne nyina chi no momwa na mentem ho asema no homene so ewoti mantem titiru ne nkwanta south ne potem no adwebromra no mmamode emojapade ene enkwa eho ban na nkratai John Enko ono na ye deputy superintendent of police ahwe nkitahodie so utimantenim enema yensa eka enkratai
Yantua kasia bone so na Ghana National Fire Service for report omudi abetuja HM say ade akwanhia esi wakra Kumasi highway ni so nipa dubako ana eprepre mu adin ye papa na akwanhia no esi obenembo som ne de toso aduonu miensa ewo mfimpi mienu ni aduonu nsian mu ewo frempon so junction no ebe inesi efa ye Toyota Camry ene eye Toyota Voxie no etimi edi ehyemu makwanhia yi etimi ebaye na nipa eye dubako ye munsia eye mema anemu num no eye ma cheso maprapre mu adin ye papa na emergency eye responders omu free anyinem fire station edu honom no na chese ya ade omoso omu giregyina ha omu hu se ne akwanhia ne si ye na boa etimi eyiyi eye nipa no ede free eye hyan ni mu ene obo modia ede omoko eye nyina si abaya resabia se ne be yo betimi akwaje ayarhwen na hwehwemu a eno ekoso edikan no chese eye Toyota Camry yi driver yi na adwin so be overtaking ana chese no nam so eno no odikobo Toyota Voxia eno ebanim emakwanhia yi etimi esiye na ya ade omuchemu a omahwere niema ye papa hwese ne niema asaya beye eye 170,000 Ghana cedis ana chese niema etimi aseno no ohwe niema hodo so na keka chese ska no keka bebre na eboma na chese be 350,000 Ghana cedis na kwanhia si ye nipa eye dubako ana epra ewo eye inyesi ewo puye mantem nti we ne nkaibo anu free Ghana National Fire Service for ho aba abetoja
yantua kasebo no so ne nyina mu ewo nkran pompure mantemu yanyina yenim se o my Ghana bosom ne wo mu ene Ghana mant eyo penem bosom into o my Ghana ye fire ne yankasa ya hode pa ya mamre ene ebo modia ebo hodaguru mawiase amansa nyina ehu o my Ghana sade yedi adwuma efa ya hofade ye ntoma ye kwankra efa so didi ne nua ne nyina no ye bohu dawuru sam na ubogura mu ewo nkrabopure mantam a ye obia ba ko a ye fa ne se tetekwashi act center eho no mo no adwadifo eho dodo na tonton Ghana niema ne ahusu ahodo ne Ghana niema nko no motonton na nkraboto de kire mi sem adwadifo babura pem ena make sei wanam shops enipa bi akwadwe nyina to agu ewo nkrabopure mantam na wanam kire ma anemuntu aye nipa bonfo sem we no etodwa endada no pa ene ahoma achepa be ye ne omiensa ena kwabrane afa made ahye ne nsem a ode ahobambo kuoma eposifo ka ho ekwabubu accenter be ya hodo a omanga na dwadifo edigwa tonton omanga na fade ahoto nyina seni nyina na nkra hodo a ebeton sentrefo na so ekirima owura bi kirema ode ehonom asase no eho nyina ye ne dia enti ode akwasem dibia ekirima be ya hodo ade hye edigwa accenter honom no enya wonom dia na asase ne dia enti ode akwa court ama court kirema ye ne dia enti obetumi agye the sente no ode bia no emma private businessman bi so ne wonye no fa honom emfanye na dwuma na adwadifo ekirem po a sasasi kura omotisue no se ye ode mpo a enkaja famra kwan so na nkafa gye adwadifo ekirem mane akopiem Lands Commission o ma de so moye asase ne nya de a eye se nipa korumpo eye ne dia wansan so amfa nkrata kokobon nkrata ma ameka nkyere wo mo se aha ne mo ye medie nti ye mam bosome baako na wotwe baako muntu mantu a ye bedwi ho ne mo nyina ediagum eno achimpo enipa wotu sa na moyi entimi ankwankwaje permit anase tumi krata emfamfiri eye mensin honom aye mempanifo nchan se ebeye dwadifo etisu ye media mba bedwi ho ne mo agunta dwadifo no wonom efiri honom eno achikura mpo anka bibu ho ne mo kura to agu a woni mpanimfo ensen konwa na mo hu ba bia mbubu ho ne mo tugu dwadifo akwatena na wonom eye adwuma adwadifo agyemre eni di ye kasa batwetwe nkomo mu kire mu sem asem ya sei wo mu hia kamafo ano wadene emu aye pa na sabi mako ne pinim efise sabi wo matena accenter edigwa adwuma so no saa be ye mfinhia pode aduonum 20 years entemuni enya de obi akraba wa kire wonom inteba ne senene obi afa mrade ahye ne nsemi adwadifo ese akire mu sei de asie wo mo lawyer beba ne mom penifo nsode na sabi ye betena omanyimu na obi etimi de mna hye ne nsem ebubu o magya pade ase no o kire mu a wo mo de honom ma chana fo mo ni nketen se nwabani e de kwakoye adwuma na sabi Ghana ni betumi akwacha na akwase China ne agya pade na Ghana ni akwadi so ana o mu kire ma de ase mu ogya ti Ghana mpanifo nsode na sikapa eye ni bra Ghana mpanifo bi epa entiene o mu Ghana de hye ne bedu ba bi no man ebagye yensem o mo de bisem sei eto dear sem trefo anim
Medindi Toda Frank, chairman Tetekwashi at the Craft Center. This morning around 4 o'clock, one of my members called me that there are some people here with excavators, coming to demolish not only our shops, all the shops on the stretch. So I should come. Before I get there, they demolish the flower shops, the block factory, and then about 10 of our shops. They mix everything up, as you can see. So as I speak, we gathered information that there are some Chinese who are building this tall building. You can take a picture of it. They are fighting to get this land, so they are responsible for anything that is happening over here. We didn't get any notification from assembly. Even the assembly came here this morning. They said they don't know anything about it. We went to Airport Police Station. They said they don't know anything about it because the cars that they use, no number. Even the military, we don't even know whether they are real military men and so on and so forth.
Than the evil Chinese who have come and they are invading Ghana. GL's International and something called Green Gate or something. They are the building behind us. And they've been given this land and they are not happy with that. They want to acquire what we have in addition to what they have been given. We have acquired. We've been operating from this land for nearly 20 years plus. We filled this land. This land was a valid. Land Commission gave us license to operate. The last time we went to Lands Commission has said they are coming to demarcate, but they are waiting for the new commissioner to come in and sign, and then they'll come and demarcate and give everybody their share. But the guidance on more than 2,800. One is selling at 550. You can imagine. Oh, your lawyer Baba says, yeah, what's your case, whatever. But when we are here to be here. It's the same place for because Chinese people cannot come from their country to take our properties.
Any awoti ye ayo my Ghana dwadifa wonom etonton wonom ade ewo accenta ena wate wonom akwisemi. Na eno achi no na Dr. Michael Mensa ona ye municipal chief executive edema ayawaso West Mensa no o kirema asem ase emu oyewu na makone nim o kirema nipa kwa moden tu sa na mo no edikampo enkonko hu Mensa no anasa assembly mpanifo na mo hwehwem ehu babia no kro ne da nanso kwabrane entimi anya ne sa asode ahomache be no miensa ekwadwiri adwadifo ne ma nyina to agu a emu oya pam na wasade nsema to gye sei wo hwa bia ya hoto am o maga na adwadifo tonton ne ma accent ho no mo na ye wa Ghana bosumi mu na ne mo tonton nyina ye o my Ghana fade na wo hwa o manyi mu nso a ade pa eboa ma Ghana yenya sika pa etoso miensa wo manyi eye nsrahwe bia hoto na wokọ accent pa sika de bra wo manyi enya tewa na kwabrane ani brenti etime kobubu atu agu de ma China for de a ne mu onwene pam o kiremu a enkempo ba modien na ma de hyem tonton ne mempo ebre kakrempo na ne kura chi no kwabo assembly na ma ne mo modien fa mra kwan enso entu adwadifo yi na de mra nhye onsem ye ne sedi a efa mra kwam assembly ne kiremu sei wo mekọ so ahwehwem no mu kwapọ mbefa sebe ya emra be ya adwuma e wo manyim Dr. Michael Mensa the same say ejadi and same trefo.
You can see at the background, this is disheartening, this is barbaric, this is inhumane. If for anything at all you have bought this piece of land, there are human beings living on the land, doing their businesses on the land. The best thing is to inform them that you have bought the land and you give them ample time to get out of this place. But you have not done that. You have not informed them. You have not even informed the assembly that an exercise like this is going to happen. You are supposed to do this with recourse to the assembly. The assembly is completely in the dark. And unless they came under the cover of darkness, they came around 3 a.m. to do this. But then we are in what? Ghana months. Why are we in Ghana months? The essence of this is actually to promote tourism. And the tourism, as we all know, is a heartbeat of the economy. It's the third largest foreign exchange earner of this country. But then here we are. So the point is, even if they don't have permit to live here, I have been here before and I know they've been living here for about 20 years. So if for nothing at all, you have acquired this piece of land, it is just right to write to them that you are coming to reclaim the land and you give them ample time to leave the land. But you have not done that. And even if you are coming to take over this land, you must do it with recourse to the assembly so that we know this is what we are doing and we can even inform them if you have not informed them. But nothing of that sort has been done. Yes, so as I said, it is important to investigate this. It will take some time to understand who is really behind this. And once we get to understand who is behind it, then we'll unravel everything that we need to know and we'll take it from there.
Any awuti ono na ye municipal chief executive edema o my Ghana adehia wanom ewo ayawaso West Mensa ndini Dr. Mensa Michael ena wote ne nkan na mane boy ya mane boni Emmanuel Poku Adusi adodo abonomrane DJ Active ena dia mane boy ebesom yen
Yentua Kasiabone so na governor Edema Bank of Ghana Dr. Johnson Esiama Edensem ato abayanim so momomode amfa hihye pa engu akwamu sane ebe yo my Ghana myesu ebehya ase adwa yetumanto sese no Burkina Faso fo edeba na atoto se nya ade a omobema obia akra tomatoes ede from honom into we no ebetimi abo my Ghana ya agriculture sector ni ye pa na okasa ewa Ghana Export Import Banks 10th Anniversary International Conference eno ekoso ewo nklimentem ha endra wukuo obenembo somni detoso aduonu numu ofimpiemienu ni aduonu nsia yimu ana Dr. Esiama echema Ghana nkase ye wa ahoɔden ankasa ne yebetimi adua tomatoes nti adenti krampo ana ye twetwe so sai wo se ye bomɔden ase yebetimi adua yankasa ye de ewo mayimu na sa wo hwamantam ahodo ni na ewo man Ghana mu na se ye adua tomatoes no bebu amabunu be 500,000 ama omunso no etimi anya adwuma yentino aban no emfa hihye pengu akwemu sane ebe ye betimi ahyase etimi adua tomatoes ni bin na we no kasa no chemu se jene krampo no dua bosome miensa e 9 tem na chese jene na so na se yetimi atomi nti we yakwanya soronko aba enu betimi abo oman Ghana nti na ban emomodea enhwe emfa emano osanso aditudwa echemu se de nti abokina faso fo ye omotomantos nkrofo etimi kra no eyade a echeye pansanso na nsuo dodo enim nti sa adwiwe nina na oman Ghana yesu ebetimi afa sa ne be beboa ne etimi adua ye de oman yimu na etimi aboa sa ne be ye mabunu krampo no ebetimi enye ejuma aye.
I mean, the thing is, if Burkina bans exports of tomatoes, why should it become a crisis in Ghana? We have, and then we are asking, we had some reps from the Ministry of Agric, they attended MPC, so we're discussing it. Apparently, there are certain parts in Ghana, Agogo and a few other areas, where the same variety can be grown. And so I was asking, what are we waiting for? We have 500,000, young people looking for work to do. We have money with Ghana Exim Bank, right?
DLFM.
And we have the varieties, onions. They told us onions take about 3 to 4 months to mature. And so I said, what are we waiting for? The Burkina issue is actually a wake-up call. And in fact, Gexim, we were going to give you a call because we believe from this year, enough of MPC within our building. We are all going to descend and get this thing solved.
Eni ya uti ye governor Edema Bank of Ghana ye Dr. Johnson Esiama.
Yan toa kase bono so ne yenyina mu wa galamsen sense mu. Na oman Ghana oman ba ko a sika akọ wo manyimu ye papapa nipa dodo na ekon do se obi abetumi aye ho adwuma kama na onye sika de ahye ne botomum. Nanso ye wa kwan hodo a eno ye kwan pa wo fa so tufum agudi a omanyimra entimi ha wadwen kram. Nanam sikani bra kwabrane kwan pada ho no ma eye kwan pa obefa so atuatufum agudie nanso wakoti saa kwan pa no so obefa koti kwan apefum agudie no my Ghana mra tiente no toto na eye ho adwuma disusanso bone ebra man enam so a eye National Anti Illegal Mining eye Operations Secretariat eye bedwaku a Ghana mampeni barema oboata dwano dra mani mahama wanom guso ede bo my Ghana ho ban ede afiri nipa bonfo a wanom enam koti kwan so etufum agudie esai my Ghana yensase yakwaye enafi nsu ahodo am etwa ye ho ahia ma meka sanya de wopi a enni yenti bi krampo dinda na debre oman na kana damek bo a ono na my Ghana mu ye company fo pa ne abedwaku a omampeni apombo moden badwumaden ehwe na my Ghana ye boy yakwaye yensase ne nsu ho ban se be ya galamsei eni ehimo my Ghana ma odimu tintireman yi pam na odin sam da tudwa wandra da wukwada echirima eye 9 months ko no gusu badwumaden ho kwan do mefa so betumi ampoa na galamse ya akwakoye tumi antu etete wo man no ye betumi akon tolase yakram na kana ne bo akase mu no wochirema enye ade oman Ghana mra ene Ghana mampeni berema oboada John Dramani Mahama etia efumagudie tuo tabi na wochirema efumagudie tuo de oman Ghana mra ewo ho eba ho pan wobetunu kwampa so wonkwenye nsuom enkwasai ekuafo no baye na wonkwankwasai oman Ghana yakwaye ena afinso yatena ye de a oman yimra eja osekutufu magudie kwampa so ekire din na mom pa se obetena oman yim na wodi emrahya wonsem na wakwasai yensu yakwaye oman Ghana tena ye de oman Ghana mra nso so ntise wonnim na tusa na mona oman yimra no bedi ye pam kana bo ekirema yakasai eye 9 months ko na ye krado omo badwuma gene wadere pa wa wonim no do oman Ghana ebedi agro na okotufu magudie nguto wo yefunu nti na Ghana behuna mane de aba emra enu bedi pa.
Of course, if anybody told you that you can stop mining in Ghana, well, I don't believe it. Mining, as His Excellency the President keeps saying, will go on. However, it's the sustainability which we are looking at. The health impact, the risk with the galamsey must be stopped. So we're looking at sustainability of mining. Those are the 3 pillars: prevention, restoration, and sustainability of mining. Now, as part of that work, there was a key element that the committee identified, and that was coordination coordination appeared to be lacking, even though all the previous initiatives have good intents and purposes. They all geared towards addressing it. But because we didn't have clear coordination, everybody, every institution was doing their own thing. And therefore, when this happens, you realize that we cannot control the allocation of resources. Then also, we cannot point at a target. There will be duplication of effort and so many things that were meant to bring us good results, but then we couldn't control. So the committee recommended that there should be a coordinating body. And that coordinating body fortunately gave rise to what we are having today as NIMOS, the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operation Secretariat.
And what she and a kennel boa casemo and was actually one. And I'm saying, and then Fidemu Munutum. Any Acadia. Adesha wanum and am cotiquanso, a two from a good above from Mr. Galam say, yes, CD Jumano. Or Margie be brenefri or among Semgo Manim. Ghana 4 pina be said, eh, excavators and our hay. A 2 hour of Margie Jeffrey, what among Sem, Aquadia Galam say for the woman who buy a Margie Giano. Nina wa hifa, ye who a chiraquine, Moton Weddy, and answer mache. Sanya man who can tell what he say, Nano saw the Munchi say, Etun Central for him.
Every excavator seized by NIMOS is intact. And I reiterate that every excavator seized by NIMOS is intact. And accountability, the ministry will render account, and the government will take a decision on what to do. But NIMOS has them safely at locations that when they call, I'll give you. The weapons too are intact. I've received a letter from the Small Arms Commission, and through the ministry, this weapon will be documented and disposed of. Next. So these are further statistics on what NIMOS is doing. Operational summary, region by region, and the strike rate, region by region. Move on. Next. Chamfan details. Now, so with all this, next, combining the number of arrests that we've made, then weapons seized, which is a huge risk. Let me say that reclamation is something we also supervise. At Mansour Dubia in Ashanti region, over 800 acres of land.
Na nekwa kramo na Colonel Boa Remam. Say you dear, adia ba kwa tete wana mo pa omudwumadi omudie mu ne say. One more kwam ya hotoa galam safe way ebu adwuma say wadre esa wo manyen sase ye na kwaye ene atena ye na esa de hye ya san kotututuo ne akwede pii e de bo mo ho ban ene enkrante ne kotokura di ahim wo nwura mu ho no nyasem kuma uduru ho pe na o ma ka kire nan mo so mpanifo ne say momfa ahoden mra mo wa ahoden a momre AK47 de kura ye momfa ahoden meje na mo kire ma yan kan kire galam safe wo ne say Sama o maden adam ho so so o mabomodian lazy amiem o mo ba ne memem se yi de se woni mutu otu a woni muto ense ne obi asabe wakwaje ntete ehu kwan fa so tutu ne senti ba o mo ba ne se no wo mbekrakrom biu o mo ba akwedie bia wa wiase bikita wonom na mo ba na mu de se ka mo bete dwe na kira mo hwe ade a mapi hu wo manyim.
NIMOS will not stand by and watch people use weapons against us. We are better trained in the weapons, and therefore I'll send a warning out there once again that anybody who does, NIMOS will deal with them ruthlessly. It is a problem that we are trying to address, but we have the right to self-defense. And let no Galamsea miss that. If you go to the field with weapon and you try to fire it, a lot more will be at you.
Any I would ye the day at the canner. Bois, Dominic. Or no, and now my canna bejoku yate so monshe, and fay any coupia we see moi, now who bam one some cost, so nagalam say for you, my dear Mudia Titi or Mino, a 12 channel, or dimity my pa, and I would take Nini.
Yantua Kasia Boneso na enkane Ghana photo sound for Mohammed Amin Adam. Akasa chemu say ya di aban bebre na ana abesi so e wo man Ghana mu na mum e yan sakraya odro na ka wasanke ba man Ghana na nipa sitnem etimi koye no enya ade a etimi edusa na okasa e wo youth leadership workshop e no course watermale and ya wo ana Dr. Amin Adam ekasa na ochemu say mfie bebre ni ana chese ende yatimi to abana ban foforo abani asesem mfie na intem ni asesem na we ya bana so man no niam puntunjuma hodo anaka wasenke etimi ba eye oman ni mu na nya ade asem puntunjuma no etimi aba na workshop ye ya de a Antanation eye foundation for na organize ya omodi mabuna hodo etimi ebehiem se na ebe ombeje ntete e wa kwaye omonso no betimi akasa e wo bedwam ani akandisem ho niema kwaye waso omutimi e form ho se na wo kwa akokasa wo bedwam kwaye waso utimi kasa ne niema e waso utimi egen Ana Dr. Amin Adam Echema eya kendifo ni bia ba no muntimi enhwe oman ni so yentimi fa sakare papa entimi emba oman Ghana mu nti onu do hu ni sese eye greater investment etimi ba oman Ghana mu na ahwe mabunu ni bi nso na ombe ya kendifo no mutimi bu oman Ghana eya ade a dachi bi nso no oman Ghana betimi akonenim.
That leadership has been perfect in Ghana. From independence up till now, we have had one failed leadership after another, and that tells why our communities are so deprived. That tells why our country, since independence, haven't seen the kind of transformation we have to see in this country. We've had military regimes, we have short-lived civilian regimes, we have had constitutional regimes, but we really still haven't arrived, because our people are still deprived, our people are still underdeveloped. But with effective leadership, we should be able to get out of this quagmire, given the resources that we have. And so we will have to ensure that the leadership of this country improves day after day, month after month, year after year. And so the experiences some of us have gotten, the experiences of other countries that have, through effective leadership, developed their countries, it needs to be brought to bear, on the young generation of our leaders, so that tomorrow they can be better than us. And this is exactly what we are trying to do.
Ene ya wuti ye Ghana enkane ye photo sanfo Mohammed Amin Adam.
Yenyina we so na yenke ka madwen kira na beso ya wiyi bi ewo Facebook no so emfa emamom. Na okọ Facebook no so a amanfo de aba na me wo fa se junior papa de aba no so o maya ha o dear good work yenso ye da se Bernard Owusu ansa de aba no se Nhyiraba good afternoon. In fact, ye boy Jumaden esmo men pa. No chire ma manfo agya pade pa yes en wo mem ha sa nde ana chire sen. Oh, ha adwen. Emu ya papa pa ode ho nsem ede aba. Na wasande aba na wo chire mi se se de ne mo yekone de ye menim nukure ni. Ne ma nhyada mfa kra. Emu dene the way people go about rejecting people from their properties. Omo ejete enipa fi na japadiem de bia da. Asa mra ni wo manyim. Obi wo sika pe na waje Ghana boss de ope no ye. Enko ba bia. Oso hwe live edi free abase chopa eno wadansoman Ebeniza down ena wode aba. Na great Steven Atawiafe na ode aba ni wose wo manya ha. Kwadwo ni Adjoa kase bo no chirima. On the ohun say nkwanhyere do na esisi o man Ghana mu dodo na eya kwan bone a ye nam so ena afiso mirika tenta hyenkafo yi bi tu asabe o monfa o madwene nka ho a nsem hunu nkwa na mudi na kwan so o ka ho ne nkwanhyere koso da bia ha adwen papa o se o kwatema motowe ni so ho anya asem kuma sense of hwem sa o se na wachi nso ye mpanifo ni tirimo den pa obi edi dwan mabubu atu agu jese momfa obi aho munkuto mafu ede nkwane hiamo jese munwene nipa ho emu aya o osesa ne ma we nyina ya de a sempanifo hwe no mu jai enye great wiafe tema ene ode abai me wofa se Richard ahwede aba na wose o maya ha na Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi takwade kwadwo kurom twa be de hye konkro na Adjoa Agyei Sikapa kasebo ne de eno ana mo ka no mo som Ghana sompa ya me nhyira mu pi DJ Ghana man ni kasebo nam eye DLFM next na ye gbetire station ho ana kasebo enam DJ Ghana man fide ni sunni oda yas na adwumade a yebo wase kasebo ne yo na pu bam ede adia ekasen na ode aka ho ede aba Sikapa woso wo birthday bi na prepare na enko.
Happy birthday kese we kwa ma boss lady Rosemary oye member edema premium boss ladies na we free ya president boss lady we Helmina ene na ya members edema premium boss ladies phone na ane de happy birthday kese we kwa ma nyankopɔ onsho na onye okese onye ufra dumo enkwa dumo na de odo nsabeka ni na enye nhira emfema nyankopɔ de mfie ba kwa ka wo mfie hu yesre nyankopɔ ne sempai bo a wo bo ache ni bia wontie na onye mount. Happy birthday once again boss lady Rosemary.
Wanya say
Minti menchire sasa.
Are yana obi ma birthday